What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will be showcasing you how to insert the SIM card into the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's get started. Now the very first thing which you need to do is to have a SIM ejection tool, which you can find this one on the retail box. Now when holding your Galaxy S26 Ultra like this, at the bottom right side you will find out the SIM tray outline and a hole within it. You just need to put the SIM ejection tool inside the hole and push a bit. SIM tray will pop up. Gently pull it out and this is the SIM tray. On the top you can insert the SIM one and on the back side you can insert the second SIM card. If you are planning to add two SIM cards, then start with the second SIM card. The reason is simple, SIM one will fall off when you rotate the SIM tray. Now let's begin with the second SIM card. SIM 2 is written here. Now, take the SIM 2 and place it in here like this. Make sure the contacts are facing up and the notch in the tray and the SIM matches. Now, rotate the SIM tray. As you can see, SIM 2 does not fall off. When you rotate the tray, take the SIM 1 and place it in here in this slot in such a way that the contacts are facing up and the notch in the tray and the SIM matches. Once you are ready, hold the SIM tray like this in which the SIM 1 is at the top. Insert it into the phone carefully. Gently push it and make sure it is properly inserted. Within a few seconds, it will detect the SIM card and redirect you to the SIM card manager page. Here, you can set the default SIM preference for calls, messages and mobile data. So guys, that is it in this particular video on how to insert the SIM card in the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe because some amazing content is planned for this year. Thanks for watching. Peace.